Preparing for a business meeting requires more than just knowledge. It demands an engaging presentation that captivates your audience. Start by defining the objective of your presentation. Understand what you want to convey, whether it's selling a product, brainstorming ideas, or sharing results. This clarity becomes the backbone of your content, guiding the structure and flow of your slides. Next, carefully craft your content. Begin with a compelling introduction that sets the stage for what's to come. You might open with a relevant statistic or a thought-provoking question that hooks your audience instantly. As you develop your key points, ensure each slide serves a purpose, illustrating a specific idea or theme while remaining focused and concise. Remember, less is often more. Instead of cluttered slides filled with text, opt for powerful visuals and bullet points that enhance your talking points. Practice is crucial, allowing you to deliver your message confidently. Rehearse in front of a mirror or gather trusted colleagues for feedback. This practice isn't just about memorizing lines. It's about becoming comfortable with the material and anticipating potential questions. Modify your pacing and tone based on practice sessions, aiming for a natural conversational style that resonates with your audience. As you approach the presentation day, consider the environment. Familiarize yourself with the technology you'll be using, whether it's a projector or video conferencing tools. Arrive early to set up, ensuring that all elements function properly. Reducing potential technical glitches will allow you to focus more on your message and less on the equipment. During the presentation, engage with your audience. Make eye contact and invite participation through thoughtful questions or prompts. This interaction fosters a connection and keeps the audience invested in your message. Use transitions wisely to link ideas smoothly, making it easier for the audience to follow along. Finally, wrap up with a strong conclusion that reinforces your key messages. Summarize the main points and invite discussion or feedback. This closure leaves a lasting impression, ensuring that your audience walks away with a clear understanding of your message and its implications. Remember, a successful presentation isn't just about speaking, it's about making a memorable impact.